How to make a complete denture, lower jaw only. Prepare artificial teeth for dentures. Conventional ready-made artificial teeth would not be acceptable. In this case, ceramic crowns were used. This file is an assembly file. The mucosa model of the mandible and the dentition are separate part files. The mucosa model of the mandible and the dentition are aligned with each other. In this case, it is easier to do this in part files, so each was made into a separate part file. After completion of the positioning of the artificial teeth, the product file is saved as a part file. The shape of the dentition and the mucosa model of the mandible became the feature of the parts file. Display the mucosa model in wireframe view. Select mucosa model in surface filters. Select the wireframe in the body view. Select the mucosa model in wireframe view. Set the mode to power surfacing and load it as a reference mesh. Create a surface of this shape on the reference mesh. Create a 0.8 mm offset surface inside the surface created on the reference mesh. The 0.8 mm offset surface is used as a reference mesh, and a new surface is created on that mesh. Each individual surface is large, so it does not fit over the entire referential mesh. It fits in dots. The created face is then thickened by 5 mm with the command, thicken. By doing the thicken command instead of offsetting, the resulting shape will be solid. Remove the fit from the point on the top of the thickened face. Edit the shape of the solid you have created. The approximate denture shape has been created. I have moved the points around this area. I have edited around this arrow. I have edited around this arrow on the lingual side. I split the surface to create a gingival groove between the teeth. I have edited around the gingival groove. I further divided the surfaces and made the grooves between the teeth a little deeper. The interdental papillae area was also edited. I will return to SolidWorks mode. The gingival condition has been edited considerably. The interdental papillary area is also nicely filled. The lingual side shape has also been edited. Return to Power Surfacing mode. Further subdivide and edit the detailed areas of concern. Edit a large surface at first, then subdivide the surface as editing progresses. Editing by subdividing a surface from the beginning will result in a wavy or bumpy surface. Formation of the gingival area has been completed. The next step is to create the space for the artificial tooth. The intersect command removes the space for the artificial teeth by intersect 2 or 3 teeth at a time. The following figure shows before and after the surface cut operation. I began creating the body portion of the denture from the submucosal surface. In this step, the lower part was divided and deleted from the mucous membrane surface. I could have started the creation on the mucosal surface. However, I tried this method of creation because I thought it might have a higher level of fit. The body of the denture was completed by filleting some of the edges and integrating the color pink. I loaded the artificial tooth again. All operations are now complete.